Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm going to keep dropping tutorials and stock reviews, so you want to be sure you can catch all the content. And this video marks the first of a series on how to value stocks. So this series is meant for everyone, whether you're an absolute beginner or someone who really knows what they're doing and are just looking for new valuation methods. With that said, I'm going to start from ground zero in this video, and we'll progressively work our way up to real life examples and concepts you can use when you invest. So before you do anything, you should always understand why you're doing it. And that's the whole point of this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you why I myself think it's important to understand how to value stocks. So the main reason that a lot of people don't care to learn how to value stocks is that they think, why don't I just listen to the experts? It's an analyst's job to come up with recommendations, and they can spend a lot more time researching and learning about the company, and they have way more resources and information than you or I do. And to that I respond, you're absolutely right. But I think this quote from Aristotle brings up an important point that addresses that reason. So it's the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. And what he's saying is that you should be able to evaluate a thought or statement, or in this case, a recommendation, and not just accept what is said at face value. Sometimes an analyst may have a different outlook on a company than you. And so let's say, for example, you think Tesla is going to absolutely dominate the automobile industry for years to come, have fleets of robo-taxis, and every American is going to be driving a Tesla. Now, you may be thinking this is an extreme example, but the point is, you want to be able to value a company based on what you believe the future might look like, whatever that is. And just to clarify, I'm not saying you shouldn't listen and read into what analysts are saying. You should absolutely be doing that. But by learning how to value stocks will give you the power of opinion. You'll be able to agree, disagree, or leverage information to come up with a valuation of your own. And this goes back to the quote. You'll be able to entertain the information analysts provide and go beyond just accepting it. You'll be able to do more with that information. You'll be able to leverage it in combination with your own insights and beliefs. And the knowledge you'll have by the end of this series is incredibly powerful. You'll be able to make smarter decisions with your money, which will help you build wealth and position yourself to achieve the future you've always dreamt of. And thanks for tuning in, everyone. This was just a quick introductory video that marks the start of a series that I hope will really help you out. I hope you're excited to learn, and I'll see you for the next video.